subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
Motorola has launched its new affordable phone under Moto E series in Brazil called Moto E6i. Talking about the specifications, the Moto E6i features a 6.1-inch HD Plus Max Vision display with a tall 19.5:9 aspect ratio. Under the hood, the phone is powered by Uni-SoC Tiger SC98638 chipset, paired with 2GB of RAM and 32GB of internal storage that is further expandable via hybrid microSD card slot. In terms of camera, the Moto E6i supports a vertically aligned dual camera setup on the rear at the top left corner, including an LED flash. The dual ray camera includes a 13MP main camera with f2.2 aperture plus 2MP depth sensor with f2.4 aperture. At the front, it has an 5MP camera under the water drop notch at the top center with f2.2 aperture. As per the software, the handset runs on Android 10 under Go edition and it packs with 3000 mAh battery that supports 10W charging. Additionally, the smartphone also features an rear-mounted fingerprint sensor under Motorola logo for authentication. The connectivity option on the phone includes 4G, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 4.2, GPS, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a micro USB charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 155.6 by 73 by 8.5mm and it weighs around 160 grams. Now talking about the pricing and availability details. The Moto E6i has been priced in Brazil at 1099 Brazilian reals. And the phone is now available for purchase in the country in pink and titanium grey color options. So, what do you guys think of this Moto E6i smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below. And stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.